What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chico Cash back at it again with the 7 to 8 months hair transplant update. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button.
It's your boy Chico Cash, let's go.
Chico Cash.
This is where we're at. This is the 7 months update. Yet again, it's your boy Chico Cash. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel and that's left comments and that's supporting your boy. I'm taking you guys on my hair transplant journey. As you guys can see, my hair is getting full and the density is getting there. I'm continuing to do my PRP sessions and I'm also continuing to take Finasteride and Monoxidil. I actually started taking my 8th month mark. But I'm very happy with the growth because as I mentioned before, I had no hair at the top of my head. I actually started Derma Rolling. So Derma Rolling has been helping with the density and my hair growth as well. For those who are new to this channel, I went to Asli, Tarcan to get my hair transplant. I actually got 5,500 grafts done. I paid 2,500. I flew from Toronto to Turkey. So this is how my hair looks in light at the 7 months update. I want you guys to leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Now let's go into the 8 months update.
Many months later.
From that 7 to 8 month mark, it has felt like many months later, man. That 1 month felt like a few months. But anyways, this is where I'm at with the 8 month mark. Right now, I'm currently at the barber. As you guys can see, my hair has grown in on the side. So I'm about to shape this up. I'm about to cut this bad boy. Jeez, I'm feeling fresh right after I got my hair cut. I mean, look at this, man. I'm really feeling good about my hair right now. This is the 8 months mark right after my haircut. You know, I also been thinking about something. You got guys like Tory Lanez, man, that guy has some money. But if you see his hairline, obviously the hair transplant didn't work for him. So, I mean, I'm feeling good about my hairline right now. Just to let you guys know, for the first 6 months, I have only used the shampoo that was provided by Asli Tarcan. But after that ran out, I started to use baby shampoo. It was L'Oreal baby shampoo. Currently, after the 6 months mark and up until now in this 8 months mark, I'm actually using shampoo and conditioner with biotin and collagen. But I'm going to bring you guys a video of the shampoos and conditioners I've been using. And I'm also going to bring you guys another video in regards to Derma Rolling. And just to remind you guys, I actually didn't start my Finasteride and Monoxidil pills up until the 9 month mark. So you guys are going to see how that has made my hair progress. But as usual, it's your boy Chico Cash. I want you guys to let me know what you guys think about my hair at this 8 month mark. I appreciate all your guys' support. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned with your boy. It's